Namaste, welcome to HashTag I'm so happy that finally the first video of the series Rental Radio is going live. Please check this video if you are wondering what is Rental Radio. As promised, this video is dedicated to all our rental subscribers and the new home keepers who are setting up their home. It is not easy to move into a new rental space and organize everything with a snap of your fingers, especially the kitchen, where we need to maintain a high degree of hygiene, ranging from drinking pure water, eating fresh food, keeping the kitchen clean and smelling fresh. It's like, you are in a new country and you have no idea which path leads to the destination. Then how to find your way amid all the confusion? Keeping those important aspects in mind, I created this video, a handbook to organize a new rental kitchen. It is a very simple video including basic steps, especially for those who are stepping into the new home organizing world and want to do it in a right way. But before I start the video, I want you to know that every home is different and the home you have is the best, because home is nothing but a feeling. Also, this video is in association with Mangalam Organics. So, let's get started. Whether it is a modular kitchen or non-modular kitchen, we all need some basic organizers, tools, accessories to set it up nicely for hassle-free everyday cooking and cleaning. This rental kitchen is not on the smaller side, have plenty of cabinet space but very poorly designed. How, I will show you later in the video. When we work systematically and divide the entire kitchen into zones, organizing processes seem less intimidating. So let's have some process and system in place. As the video progresses, I will share a few basic products that we might need to organize the kitchen. It is going to be a really long and tiring process to set up a new kitchen. Before you start organizing, either clean the kitchen to the T all by yourself or hire some professionals. After cleaning the kitchen, feeling overwhelmed and tired, switch on some soothing smell to calm your nerves. You have seen me burning this Mangalam Organics Bhimseni camphor in our home. This camphor has such a divine fragrance and acts as a natural home freshener as well. Along with refreshing home, it helps to kill germs and purify our home. Camphor contains properties which act as an efficient natural insecticide. It will keep the mosquitoes at bay, and a regular use of Bhimseni camphor will eliminate the bad odor in our home and kitchen too. As I told you earlier, setting up a new kitchen can be very stressful and tiring, but the smell of pure camphor can help reduce your stress and anxiety. After burning Bhimseni camphor, there will be no residue left behind, and that is a true sign of purity. Get an electric kapurdani to diffuse it. This aromatherapy can help improve psychological and physical well-being as well, which works through the sense of inhalation, absorption, and takes care of our mental health. Do let me know if you are enjoying the benefits too. It is a tried and tested recommendation for our subscribers. To buy the camphor, you can use this coupon code to get extra 10% off on House of Mangalam website. I have shared all the links in the description box below for your reference. The very first step is to cover all the drawers, shelves and racks with a liner before you start the organizing process. It will help to avoid scratches and your rental kitchen will be intact even after rigorous usage. I'm dividing this kitchen into 10 different zones to organize. We do not have a very well planned kitchen here. The cutlery drawer and every other drawers are so far from the gas stove. That's why I need to plan everything to make it more functional. This one is a pretty straightforward zone to set. We will keep our gas stove near the gas pipeline outlet, chimney or exhaust fan. It's pretty simple. It doesn't matter how big or small the counter space is, always have a clutter-free food preparation area right beside the cooking zone. We do all the chopping, kneading, whisking in this zone. Here the list of few basic kitchen tools we might need. We need some nesting bowls for soaking dal or beans, washing veggies, etc. Either you can go for a set of nesting bowls like this, or you can nest the bowls you already have on hand. Mark these bowls as dedicated food prep bowls so that when you need them, everything will be ready to use. While setting up a new kitchen, focus on basics first. We just need 2 chopping boards, one medium size and a smaller one to cut smaller quantity food items. It is a hassle to clean a big bulky chopping board. Better to go for a lighter, medium and smaller one. Use a coffee mug or milk mug to store daily used knives, gas lighter, scissors, etc. Place it near the gas stove and chopping board for easy grab and go. Keep an intentional food scrap bowl for waste dumping to keep the counter always neat to clean. Have a few vegetable baskets to drain the water from washed veggies. Go for collapsible ones if the kitchen is small. Place the dustbin near the kitchen sink. And now we are all done with the food prep zone area organizing with basic things which we will need on daily basis. After we have an organized food prep zone, now it is the time for setting up the water storage area, preferably near the kitchen sink. Here we can keep a water dispenser or water jugs and bottles, the RO, etc. As you see, we don't have a space to set up the water station. We are moving it to the next convenient place. Keeping to near the water glasses, and it is near the gas stove area too. A thoughtful kitchen setup will always help us to save time in the kitchen. Moving on to the next zone in our kitchen, which is utensil storage zone. I always find it very helpful to keep everyday and frequently used karchula, chamcha, etc. right beside the gas stove rather than in a drawer. I like to store food storage containers near an empty counter space so that loading of leftover foods in these containers will be convenient. You can also store them near the fridge area. While setting up a rental kitchen, sometimes we need to adjust with the existing setup or with cabinet space. Here you can see this one is a big cabinet without any shelf. But according to the rule of organizing, we should store the kadhai, pressure cooker, everything near the gas stove area for the ease of daily use. I'm using a laptop table just to share the idea with you all. If you too have this kind of big cabinets without shelves, then you can go for budget-friendly 2 or 3 tier shoe rack or bookshelves to organize cooking utensils. Think outside of the box to maximize the storage content rather than investing in too costly kitchen organizers. let's move on to the another very important zone in the kitchen, which is oil, spices and food storage zone. Keeping cooking oils, ghee and spices handy and near cooking zone will be the best choice. If you wish, you can keep them on a small shelf on the counter if you have counter space. Lazy Susan can be your best investment in terms of organizing an upper cabinet or even lower cabinet which are not easy to reach and find the ingredients quickly. If you want to maximize your spice cabinet, then go for this kind of self-riser. Or a combination of self-riser and turntable will be good to reach these spice bottles every day. These options will be useful if you do not have an oil or spice storage pull-out like this in your rental kitchen. If you have a big window in the kitchen, then think about saving counter space by using S-hooks or magnetic hooks. It's better not to go overboard with window organization to maintain an aesthetic look in the kitchen, but if we do not have space, we might need to compromise here and there. It is always so nice to have a big pantry where we can store every single food items, but in our small apartments, we might not get all those beautiful storage cabinets. But don't worry, I have a solution we'll share in a while. One cabinet dedicated to dal and beans. One cabinet is for atta and rice varieties. If you are using an upper cabinet, do not overload the cabinet with all the available food items in the market. Rather, have a rotating system. If you are buying chole rajma for this month, then once you finish it off, go for dal makhani ingredient or any other kind of beans. This way you will never be out of space. Just have a list handy with all the ingredients which you eat frequently. Open a new pack when the old one is finished. Have a few chip clips and rubber bands handy in the cabinet or nearby. If we are missing out pantry cabinets, then invest in a budget-friendly bookshelf or a shoe shelf with or without a door. It's not about those couple of ₹100, but it's about our everyday comfort and easy accessibility. And that should sum up the basic need of a 24/7 running kitchen. Now let's move on to the regular storage zone. Except cooking and prepping utensils, all your plates, bowls, glasses, cutlery, serving dishes and food storage containers should occupy this zone. Rather than going all aesthetic, let's focus on the functional side. This kind of plate racks will definitely be a good choice of organizers for your rental kitchen where we are out of space always. As everything is organized in a single place, when it's lunchtime or dinner time, it will be a one-go trip and last-minute searching can be avoided. If we do not have sufficient cabinet space, then we can also keep kitchen linens, table napkins on the counter. Cut old t-shirt or kurta ka kapda and keep them handy as a use and throw to wipe accidental spillage. Have a miscellaneous zone in the kitchen, especially while you are setting up a new kitchen. Trust me, having a miscellaneous zone will keep your newly set up home fairly neat and tidy, as you know where to keep those find a forever home stuff and everyone in the family will know where to find them. It is great if you have all the cabinet space where you can store all your appliances together, but if you are having a space shortage, then invest in some bookshelves. I told you they are very versatile. Keep microwave and mixie on the countertop as we use them daily and seldom use small appliances like toaster, blender inside the cabinet. Try to utilize every inch of the sink area and organize it properly. Here I have this window space, so I will be hanging the basic essentials like dish soap, sponges here. Use a cleaning caddy to store all the cleaning essentials together in the bottom cabinet. Instead of a dish drainer like this, use a dish draining mat. It won't spoil due to hard water and we can throw it in the washing machine for sanitizing and cleaning. Set up your utility zone very efficiently. It is the key to keep your home neat or clean. The basics like mop, buckets, laundry detergent, etc. place and arrange everything according to the space available. After all the efforts we have made to set the kitchen, why not make it a little prettier? Use some dual decors to display, keep some hara-vara plants. Our functional but boring kitchen will be all decked up and smiling back at us. In upcoming videos, you will see many renter-friendly kitchen decor ideas. And one last thing to remember. If it's a rental kitchen, that doesn't mean that it's not yours and doesn't need attention. Since you are spending an important part of your life there, it requires equal attention to give your morning and evenings a sense of calmness and belongingness. These are the basic steps to organize a rental or a new kitchen. If you need in-depth ideas for each section, please let me know in the comments. I will make some micro-organization videos for you all. If you are new to our channel, do check out this kitchen organization playlist on our channel to get more ideas. This is a humble effort from HashTag to make your rental space a better and a functional place to live in. We will try to bring something new with each episode, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support us. On that note, let me sign off. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. I thought I will keep this video very interactive. I thought I'll talk to you on the camera, but can you hear the sound? It's horrible. Thank God voiceover is there.